Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to copy specific number of characters from one string to another string. And to achieve that we're gonna, again, just like in the last tutorial, use string.h header, because in here we have strncpy function, which is string ncopy. That's of course function. Did I type that correctly? Function. So we must be very careful with this, because there are problems with garbage values. It's interesting because this is C. Sometimes you can run into unexpected overflow stuff. So you need to be very cautious and do testing when you're using this function. And what is the size of original and final string? So just be warned about that. So anyway, original string. Okay, let me say this will be like, I don't know, hack the planet, cause it's fun, I guess, when you have knowledge and time. And this is original string. And destination string, we're gonna set it to be like 10, let's say. So significantly shorter than this stuff right here, because 10 will reach up till here, including spaces, because spaces are important. So let's print those values to see what's happening, well, on a screen, because you must know what's happening, especially if you forget what are you doing after 6 months or 6 years, what your source code is doing. So what I was about, original string, of course that's a string, and we're gonna say go to next line, and original string value. And I'm gonna steal this because I'm lazy and for some reason I create errors while I'm typing. So destination, I told you, destination, well, destination string, and let me see what's gonna be. Will I have some kind of garbage value in here? Let me test that. I don't have it at the moment. I don't have it, and that's cool, because previously I was not using any variable with this same name. So there is no, at the moment, garbage values, well, hopefully. Now let's use this function strncpy, and first parameter that you need to provide is that destination string, and then what is original string? Well, in this case exactly that, original string. And then what is the number of stuff you're going to grab from here and put into here. So let's put those like 10 elements to see, do we have some kind of problems here. Okay, well, this is final destination string, or this is initial one, initial stage and final stage of those strings. Yeah, so let me check that, rebuild and run, and okay, I told you this function is a little bit weird. So hack the planet and then bunch of other stuff, and that's a problem. So let's see that we're going to use just 4 values here. Will that work? Okay, that will work partially, and again we're gonna get some kind of garbage, which is extremely dumb. And let's use some bigger number here, and probably see, now initial destination string is full garbage and heck is okay, but there is a space here, I think, or not. So let me test that. When I say 7 of them, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, what will happen? Hack the, okay, well, 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, that's cool. So moral of the story is, initially if you use big number of elements for destination string, initially it will be garbage value if it's big enough, but at the end of the day you're going to get what you need. But if you have that thing smaller, like 5 here, which is silly, and here you're just trying to grab 2 of them, then all kind of stuff is possible. So this function, in this way how we are using it at the moment, is a kind of weird. So let me use 5 here. Will we get weird stuff again? See, that's some kind of overflow. I need to learn about this more. It is, I don't know, it is kind of scary, you know, but it will work to some degree. Well, at least in this case, garbage and stuff. Well, so this is kind of problematic because let's say that we do have 10 elements here. In here we are trying to grab, let's say, 50 of them. Will that result into some problem? It will grab everything. Okay, well, that's fine. But if we create something big here like that, will we run into problem in this case? Oh yeah, we have run into problem. So processor returned negative stuff, which means that we do have problem. Okay, and here we will land into red stuff, which means error. Oh, there you go. So we must be very careful what we are doing. If we say 0, then okay, that's expected. So bottom lines are be very cautious about this function. And guys, if you know how to explain this, please write that down in the comment section below, because I really want to know more about this function. So generally we just need to do a lot of testing if we are going to use this one. Weird stuff, but it works to some degree. Maybe I'm using it in the wrong way. Maybe there is a lot of garbage in these pointers. I don't know. Okay, so that's it in this tutorial. Just pay attention when you're going to use this function, and subscribe if you didn't, share this channel with other people, and see you next one. Ciao ciao.